Pentax K30 is a powerhouse that combines great handling, solid design, and the ability to take on extreme environments, including common camera killers like dust and moisture. And if you look past the weather ceiling for a moment, you'll find the Pentax K30 offers photography chops that rival mid-range cameras like Nikon's D5100 and the Canon Rebel T3i. With shot-to-shot times of up to 6 frames per second, a solid all-around 16-megapixel image sensor, and heaps of controls and features, the Pentax K30 offers a little something for everyone at its base kit price of $899. Shooting with the K30, we found its grip to be slightly more awkward than the mid-range Pentax K5, as its body is slightly thinner and lighter. The camera is fairly responsive, with plenty of manual control and buttons that still have the same snap and feel of other DSLRs despite the rubber seals keeping out the elements. Photos weren't as crisp as we'd like with the 18 to 135mm WR lens, but the autofocus is better in low light, colors were vibrant, and overall image quality was still quite good. One group that is going to be sorely disappointed with the K30, however, is video shooters. The K30 can capture full 1080 30p HD video, but it lacks anything resembling high-end video capability. With no mic port, no HDMI output, and only a monaural mic built into the camera, there's little to justify using the K30 to capture video except in extreme circumstances. We're also less than impressed with the company's choice of lens for the base $899 kit. All of the kits we've seen online for the K30 offer the standard, non-weatherproof 18 to 55mm kit lens. Pentax makes an 18 to 55mm weather-sealed lens for a reason, and there is no reason for it to not be included here. The K30 offers a great deal of control, although there's a steep learning curve associated with it. The camera comes loaded with more scene modes, filters, and editing effects than most other DSLRs, and there's little in the way of in-camera hand-holding. A beginner can definitely pick up and shoot with the K30, but it's not as simple to operate as the Canon Rebel cameras, for example. We'd recommend the K30 to anyone looking for a sub-$1,000 model to take to an environment where dust or moisture are a constant concern. It's not for absolute beginners, and it's certainly not for video shooters, but the K30, when paired with an appropriate lenses, can go places other DSLRs at this price simply cannot.